Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to prep your toenails to make sure lifting doesn't happen, while also creating a beautiful summer pedicure. Start by removing any old pedicure. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's still worth repeating. To make sure every single bit is removed, use pure acetone, which can be bought from any drugstore. Click here to learn how to remove dip powder pedicure. Next, use cuticle oil or cuticle remover to soften the skin and push back the cuticles, cleaning the nail bed. Always avoid cutting your cuticles, as it stimulates their growth and can lead to infections. Also, avoid soaking your feet right before dipping your toenails. Now, clip your nails straight across, not round, to avoid ingrown nails. Then, soften the edges using a nail file. Next, lightly buff your nails to give them a matte look. This will make the dip stick to your nails much better. Use some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and rub down your nails, as the powder adheres better to dehydrated nails. For even better results, try our Rossi primer. Apply a thin coat and let it air dry. Use a flat container or a piece of paper to protect the surface you'll be working on. In this video, we will be using the color Mermaid in a beautiful glittery blue shade. Stir your GLAM powder with a clean utensil prior to use. Apply a thin coat of Rossi base coat and sprinkle the powder over the wet base. Work 1 or 2 toes at a time, as the base coat has to be wet for the GLAM powder to stick to it. Apply the first dip layer halfway up the nail, leaving a small margin at the sides. This technique helps strengthen the nail while making cuticles look less thick. When you are done with the first coat, brush away the excess powder and continue with the second layer. Base coat should cover the entire nail surface. If you see that you've got some base on your skin, just use an orange stick to clean any mess-ups. Pour the powder on each toe, making sure to cover the nail completely. Give it a few seconds to dry and brush away any excess powder. You can save the powder for the other foot to minimize the powder consumption. Use the Rossi activator generously and apply it covering the whole nail. Test if it's fully dry before moving on to buffing. Once you're done with the buffing, wipe away any dust and apply 2 layers of the top coat. Allow the first layer to dry for about 2 minutes before applying the next layer. Finally, apply a liberal amount of cuticle oil and you're done. If you can't make it to the salon for a pedicure, we've got you covered. Enjoy long-lasting chip-free pedicure from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section.